So now let's see how we can work around with the Shapes tool inside of Snagit editor. So in order to use the Shapes tool, so you simply go up over here onto Shapes right here, and then you're provided with different shapes. So you can bring in the shape that you want by choosing the theme you want, just like that. So over here you can see that I got this red shape. So let's say I want to, drag the attention of my viewers somewhere over here on this screenshot. I just simply bring in this shape right here. So now as I bring in the shape, I have an option to fill out the shape right over here and go around and work around with these things. So let's say, for example, I can work around with the thickness right here, the opacity of the shape right here, and similarly, I can work around with the outline over here of the shape, the outline color, and I can work around with the shape itself right over here. As I select this kind of a shape, you can see that I have an option for this. I have this diamond icon, which I can drag around to change around the shape. I can also rotate around the shape as any other objects and resize them around as well. I can choose the shadow of the shape right here and go around and change the color of the shadow just like this, and then change around that as well. So color of the shadow has been changed around. I can increase the distance, the opacity of the shadow right here, distance of the, let me just select this first. So I forgot to select that. So just change the red distance, and you can see that that is how it actually works around, just like that. You can also change around the blur of the shadow just like that, and change around the opacity, and that is how it actually looks like. I can go around here, change out other styles directly as well from over here, just like that. And that is how it works around. You can change the theme as well, the urban theme and everything else just like that. And the overall look of the shapes change. So that is how you can use the Shapes tool inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.